guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos in travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I am showing you guys my makeup look using only drugstore products, or my favorite drugstore products. So I did a separate video before this doing my foundation routine. So for this face right now, I already put on my foundation, concealer, primer, and my contour sticks. And you can go ahead and click this video right here so you can see that. I used Maybelline's Fit Me concealer and foundation. And then I also used Caroline's blur stick and concealer stick. And then for my powder, I used Nishido's final powder. So let's move on to the rest of my face. I am going to start with Caroline's Best Brow Liner so you can see how I fix up my brows. Shall we zoom in? We shall. It's really slow. Oh my god. I really like this. It's pretty inexpensive and it comes in a really natural shade of brown as well. I don't know which one exactly it is, but we shall see. So again, just as with every video, I start by outlining my eyebrows and then later on focusing on the arch so it has more color and pigmentation. Honestly, I'm just following the natural shape of my brows right here. Okie dokie. Nice. Nice. Up next, shall we proceed to eyeshadow? Okay, so for my eyeshadow, just as with my other drugstore videos, so this is still my Ride or Die eyeshadow palette. This is Nishido's Bare Basic palette, and I basically just use this shade, this one right here. I just feel like it really complements my skin color and it achieves the bronze glow that I really like going for. So I'm just gonna pat that real quick using my ring finger that doesn't have any other use but makeup. Okay, after this I'm going to use Caroline's Graph Ink Liner. It's waterproof, it's really easy to use, and I'm going to show you right now how I do it. So, trick for my eyeliner, I start at the edge right here. I start here, like the edge of the cat eye, imaginary cat eye, and I just draw it like that. See? And then I draw it all the way to this corner, like that. After that, I just fill in the little empty spots. Later, I'm going to show you how I tightline. Okay, now let's do it again on the other side. Now when I tightline, I just pull this a little bit and then fill in the areas that are still white. You know, like in between the lashes. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna curl my lashes real quick and then apply my mascara, which is Revlon's Ultra Volume Mascara. Okay, normally I would put mascara in my lower lashes, but since I just got a sty or a kulite, I'm just gonna skip that so I can let my lids heal. My lower lash line heal. Okay, a little retouch is needed, I suppose, because I'm getting a little sweaty. It's the lighting. This is Nishido's Final Powder in the shade So Natural. Now for my blush, I'm going to use Caroline's Rose Stick to just give myself a little... That looks weird right now, but you just need to blend it out and it'll be all good. See what I mean? See what I mean? Okay, this next part is gonna be really exciting because this is one of my newer purchases and one of my really new discoveries. This is the Ever Bilena Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Candlelight. It's this yellowish highlighter that I really enjoyed. So it looks like this. And it looks amazing on my skin. Wait, hold on first. Okay, how do people do it? I'm just gonna come closer, okay? Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks better on my mirror than it does on the viewfinder, so wow, I'm like a golden sun goddess, you know what I mean? Which is kind of like my peg in real life anyway. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, now for my lipstick, I'm going to use, again, my Ride or Die. Okay, so normally I would use Revlon, but to show you guys something different, I'm going to use my other Ride or Die lipstick, which is the Everblena liquid lipstick in the shade Siennas. And whenever I have Instagram stories of my face and you guys ask me what my lipstick is, it's usually Siennas. So definitely a crowd pleaser. Plus the formula is really nice. It doesn't dry my skin, but I do have to reapply every now and then, but that's fine. I've had worse. So there you go. This is my updated drugstore makeup look. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again soon, and I hope you stay confident. Bye. Mwah.
Yeah, no, no.